I don't know why they said this was scary.
Yeah, it looks like hay.
Yeah, it's a little congested up there.
Okay. This is a little better.
A lot better.
Yeah. No, we're not camping. Me and my friend were like, let's splurge a little bit. So we got like an Airbnb.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I was like, you know what would be great reward after this? A beer and a nice sit in the hot tub.
Very, yeah, very profound.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Steph. What's your name?
I'm Claire.
Nice to meet you. How long are you here for?
This is my first day here, and I'm gonna be here till Monday. And then Monday, me and my friend are gonna drive to Arches, spend a night in Arches, then drive back.
Where do you live?
Normally I live in Austin.
Okay.
What about you?
We live in Colorado.
Oh, perfect. What part of Colorado?
Walnut.
Yeah. Is that near?
It's like just outside of Boulder.
Okay. Gotcha. I love
North of Denver.
I love
Boulder and Austin have similar
They have very similar vibes.
fields.
I have a friend who's graduating 6 years older this May,
That's exciting.
so I'm gonna try to go visit her.
For the graduation.
Yeah.
That's great.
Especially because
May's a great time of year too.
oh yeah,
This is Colorado. It's green. It's not always green.
very green.
But at that time of year.
I don't like this.
Yeah.
It has to be, right?
It has to be fine. That's what I keep telling myself. Because I'm like, well, I don't have a choice. It has to be fine.
It's fine. There's plenty of spaces to land. If you fall.
Yeah. I was telling myself on the way up, I was like, it's not a race. And that's the same how it is on the way down. It's not a race.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just looking at my feet.
Huh? You guys are looking at your feet. I was doing it with my eyes closed. I didn't know you could do that part. Oh, I left my keys at the top. Just kidding.
I know. I got it.
I got it. It's a very slippery tree.
Yeah.
Doing it.
Yeah, that can't be a
I don't know how much sleep I get.
And I have the keys to the Airbnb, so I was like, maybe she's making friends. She made it all the way up the switchbacks, and I was like, all right, come on. And she was like, nope.
I've had enough.
I was like, come on, it's only half a mile. And she was like, nope, not doing it.
Okay, you gotta do what you're comfortable with.
I know. But it was funny because at the beginning of the show, she was like, I need you to be my cheerleader. And then we got to the chains, and I was like, I'm your cheerleader. And she goes, I take it back. I take it back.
I don't need any cheerleading.
I was like, what about a drill sergeant? She's like, nope.
Hi. Or not. I don't know how big the group is.
It's fairly big. We had a nice gap of no people.
I know, I was just thinking that, but I didn't want to say it.
Doing great.
I think we're like,
We're making good time.
Yeah.
we're making great time.
What about the cold beer?
Yeah. Nice cold beer.
Hi.
Yeah, I got
What?
Yeah, he does have going slowly, right? If we have an excuse to go slow.
Hi.
Hey.
Just go skydiving. Why bungee jumping? Let's just skydiving.
Bungee jumping's fun.
What, skydiving though?
I've never been skydiving.
Right? That seems like more fun.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping's pretty cool though.
I've already got to make a commitment of jumping out of a
Skydiving's more accessible.
Skydiving is?
Yeah, like how many bungee jumps are there near you?
But I don't know, maybe they got plans.
Plans. Watch it. Soft ankles.
Yeah. Hey,
What up?
you know,
Yeah, I think I got an idea.
just hiking.
Thanks.
No problem.
Hey, safety first. All right, babe, smile. Turn around and smile.
Perfect.
Very good.
This is better than our way up.
I agree. We're just not running into that many people.
Yeah.
That one section was shitty, but small groups.